Welcome to East Oz Urbex. This is the second location I explored while I was in the rainforest. Doesn't look like much from above, but you'll be amazed to see what the inside looks like. We were only able to uncover a small amount of information about the property. It was owned and operated by a husband and wife as a rainforest lodge up until 2007, when it was purchased by the local government. It was then used as temporary free accommodation for the volunteers up until 2016, when it stopped operating for good. Since then, it's sat unoccupied and unmaintained. Come along with me as I explore what remains of this unique location. Shit. This one's very hidden. There's so many spider webs on my face. So this is the place I've been searching for so long, and I finally found it. There was a sign at the front that said there was cameras, but I don't think that's the case. Wow. This is so untouched. Definitely not in as good condition as when I first saw pictures of it. I don't know what's with all these playing cards everywhere. I've seen them at other abandoned places before. Oh wow, this place is huge. Look at this beautiful fireplace. That's really cool. Oh, I got a visitor's book. Hopefully, there's a pen in here. Oops. I know that one. I might just have to leave a little something here. There we go. Yeah, good enough. Alright. This place is by far the best condition place I've ever come across. Not sure what's down here, but oh wow. This is amazing. Now I've got to stay pretty quiet because there is active properties around here, as I said at the start. There's a lot of black mold in here. I think I might actually put my respirator on, just to be safe. I'm gonna chuck my respirator on. Okay, so I have my respirator on. It's probably gonna be hard to hear me, so I'm gonna avoid talking throughout this video. This is amazing. There's so much stuff left. That's interesting. I got lost. I kind of want to go up there. Oh, there's a bed up there. That's interesting. Oh, shit. I imagine each of these rooms are going to be pretty similar. So I'm not going to go into each one. Have a look down towards the end. This must be like the family bedroom. It's like Christmas. Oh no, they're blankets. They're blankets. I don't think this place has power, but no power. It's a really interesting place. Hopefully it stays intact. Oh my god, that scared me. Can hear a lot of buzzing, so there might be wasps in here. Wow, yeah, this place is amazing. That's a snake. Wow, did not expect that.